to Dessert Planet. Ingredients for syrup: 1 cup of sugar, 1½ cup of water, 1 cup of honey, Thanks for subscribe. Four seeds of cardamom, a pinch of cinnamon stick, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, collect the syrup foam and discard. ¼ cup of rose water, a pinch of saffron, wait until the sugar is dissolved and simmer 4 or 5 minutes more. After boiling the syrup, turn off stove and let cool. Baklava recipe: 2 cups of chopped walnuts or pistachios, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder, 1 dessertspoon of cardamom powder, 2 teaspoons of sugar powder, 1/4 cup of liquid oil, 150 grams of melted butter, cover baklava's dough with a damp towel to keep from drying out as you work. Dough is very thin. Work carefully. Brush baking dish with some melted butter. What is your idea of making baklava more delicious? Share your idea in the comments below. Brushing each sheet with melted butter. Brush it again with melted butter. Drop next layer over previous sheet. Brush it again with melted butter. Sprinkle half of the nut mixture over the dough. Fold the dough in half and brush it with melted butter. Roll up slowly. Cut the beginning, end, and extra parts of the dough with a sharp knife, then transfer to the baking dish. Repeat as before until the dough is finished. Brush the rest of the melted butter on baklava. Cut baklavas with a sharp knife. The oven is preheated. Put baklava in the oven for 40 minutes in 160 centigrade degree temperature. Immediately pour the syrup over the hot baklava. Let soak at least 4 hours or overnight at room temperature. Thanks for watching.